You can draw this cute koala on your iPad or sketchbook. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the full process. So get ready, we are starting. I'll choose my sleek ink brush for sketching, and for this step I'm using the gray color. Now I'll start by drawing the head. It's a curved line and another curved line to complete it. Now I will draw two cute ears, and for this I'm drawing a series of curved lines. I'm doing the same as well in the other side. Now I complete drawing the head, and I will draw the body by drawing this curved line and a small foot here, and the tail is a fluffy curved line, two cute eyes in the center of the face, and now I will draw this cute nose between the eyes. And here I'll draw a gift. It's a heart shape. Now I'll draw this line to give the gift depth. And I will add those cute details for the box. And here I will add a small hand. And I will add two cute hearts to make the sketch even cuter. Now on a separate layer underneath the sketch, I will choose the selection tool to select the koala or the area that I want to color, and for this I'm using light purple. I will choose the dark purple to color inside the ears. Again, I tap on selection tool to select the area that I want to color, and I'm using beige color to color inside the ears. And for coloring the nose, I'm using the dark purple color. Now I'll color the gift by using pink color, and for this step I'm using my flat coloring brush, but you can always choose the default Procreate brushes. I have a tutorial about this. You can check it and see what are my favorite Procreate brushes for creating cute sketches. I'll add those white dots to make the gift cuter. On a separate layer above all those layers, I set it to multiply mode and choosing my grainy texture brush to add some texture to the koala. Now I will set the brush size and opacity. In this step, I lower the opacity to make the shadows and highlights more natural. And for this step, shading, I'm using the gray that I used to color the koala to add shades to it. Now I will add some highlights to the koala, and for this I created a new layer above and set it to add mode and choose the pure white to add highlights to the koala. And now I'll add the final touches like 2 cute pink cheeks and 2 dots in the eyes to make them shinier. And for this I'm using the pure white. Now I'll make the final adjustments by tapping on adjustments tool and fixing the color balance, curves, noise, sharpen, and all those things to make the colors prettier. Now I'm done drawing this cute koala. If you draw this, don't forget to mention me on Instagram or even on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or recommendations for the next tutorial, please feel free to write them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.